What's up, everybody? This is your buddy Repellent and Hawthorne, and I'm here with yet another unboxing. This ship from Bernhards Bay, New York, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. I want to go to New York so bad. I've never heard of Bernhards Bay before. Have you heard of Bernhards Bay? As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. I really, truly do appreciate it. I love talking about movies. I love going to movies, and this week I will be going to movies. Actually, funny enough, tomorrow I'm going to a brand called Cinemark, seeing Jurassic Park on the big screen for the first time. And then a week from today, my AMC is actually reopening. So what I do is I like to go on sites like eBay and try and find a good deal because I like going to movie theaters. Movie theaters are kind of a luxury and they can be kind of expensive. But I try to figure out a way that I can get a great deal. So I look for gift cards and buy them cheaper than they're worth. So this is $75, I think, worth of value right here. No clue. I have no clue if offhand how much I actually spent on this specific ticket, but I'm sure that I saved money. So this is $75. More than likely, I probably dropped, 50 bucks, maybe 60 bucks. I try to always have, make a little bit and profit. That way I can spend a little bit and, not feel bad. Movie tickets aren't that expensive where I live and concessions are kind of rough. So why not try and save where you can? Every little bit helps. It is a luxury, like I said, but I love going to the movie theater. I'm really hoping to see Bill and Ted 3 on the big screen. It'll be on demand, but there's nothing like seeing a movie on the big screen. So Jurassic Park tomorrow, and who knows, Goonies, Unhinged. It's going to be great. If you want to help support my channel, help support my movie habit, I will be doing a review of Jurassic Park, by the way. You can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can also go to sites like onceuponat.net, where I got this very shirt right here, or riptapparel.com. That's RIPT apparel.com. Use my username London Hawthorne and you'll save a couple bucks off of each and every shirt. So that's onceuponat.net or riptapparel.com. London Hawthorne as your coupon code. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave a comment. Let me know some movies you're looking forward to watching. And what's your favorite brand of theater to go to. Have a great day.